Welcome to PFTV, Mpetu Prayer. It's a 2-1 lose to Orlando Pirates. Namhlanje ubona kanjani?
Hayi nje yami. I'm not gonna lie. Yona imhlungu yangithola. So we wanted to collect all 3 points, but unfortunately igame ayihambi the way thina ama-fan singahamba singafisa ngakhona. Kunzima lapha ziyabuya yangithola. So we are 100% behind our boys, and then they have done their best. Which year is this year in Jayam? 2026 angithi. Yabona njengoba kuyi 2026 we are about to approach ama 2026 local government elections, and mina ngeke ngivote if Orlando Pirates is not on the ballot paper. Yeah, if Pirates is not on the ballot paper, I'm not voting. Yakuthola. Orlando Pirates sayithanda sifuna ukuyenza i-government. So if Pirates is not on the ballot paper, mapaka chuchu asivoti. Sifuna ukuvotela i-Pirates iye ku-government because i-Pirates isijabulisa idliwe. Yazi nje yami likhona elinye igama lesilungu ane bathi inevitable ngesilungu. Angazi if bekakhona ophethe i-dictionary. Inevitable, it means something must happen no matter what. That's inevitable. Something must happen no matter what. Pirates is going to take the league. No matter what. It's inevitable for Pirates to take a league. Yeah. Amagama wami lawo njaya.
But obviously, Pagania ngeke sithathe if officiating is against us. What do you think of that penalty? Because from that action, they went on to score.
Football is politics. Football has been sold to the highest bidder. Unfortunately, that's the unfortunate part of football. That was a clear penalty before they could score, Yangtola. But then we're going to analyze it. We are not even the analysts, Yangtola. And then it's not even going to help us because at the end of the day, they collected 3 points from us because they needed that 3 point much more than how we needed it. So hence I'm saying that football has been sold to the highest bidder. Badlila bo referee lokho abadlile from wherever la badle khona because le game namhlanje it was hard, and we can see many bad decisions that were made from the officials yangithola. So I don't know why vele i-VAR ingekho la eMzansi because otherwise the score would have turned out differently. We don't know how, but it would have turned out differently. But then it is what it is.
So in that first half, Pagania, what do you think was the problem? Because we were creating a lot of chances and then we couldn't bury them. And then Sundown scored 2 chances and they scored from those 2 chances. What are you thinking about?
From the back, I don't think Usibelebele from the right side was fit for this game, to be honest. I love Magma Mosha Yangtola, but then he was not fit from the right side. Hence, the first 2 goals came from the right-hand side, and then overlap to the left, and then Yabuya Ikorenga Yangtola. But then from us, I'm not sure Ngomputuma mina from my side, Yangtola. Because the way Pirates idlala khona ishota with we can say a sharpshooter yangithola, and then we thought Mbutuma is the person that we wanted, but then for me he does not deliver. If we could have started Nwanasesi way before him, I think ukuthi mhlambe nje we could have scored 1 or 2 before they could, because uMbutuma yawathola ama chance le phambili awayeka ngazi ukuthi wenzani ajump ibola, and then he's a striker ukuthi ubhekele makathena mele ashaye because he's the last man ostemele kuye. But then for mina uMbutuma is not make sure.
You reckon you should put Umahopa doesn't score. But anyway, that's a conversation for another day, Pagania. And then Ida score prediction for Obolam 2 next week Saturday.
Abolam 2 Siokora 2, and they can't come back from 2 because they only score 1. So when we score 2, it's done. So the same score that has been scored today for 2-1 is gonna be the final score of 28, 2 Pirates and then 1 Chiefs. Unfortunately, bona bakora 1 nje and then ichayile. So basha 2-1 now.
Thanks Pagania Bopa.